Now look at this what? Calculation on Boyle's law. Calculation on Boyle's law. They said 200 centimeter cube of a gas has a pressure of what? 510 millimeter mercury. What will be its volume if the pressure is increased to 780 millimeter mercury? Let me first start from what is Boyle's law itself. You say that what? The pressure of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to the what? That is P is inversely proportional to what? To the V. Represent this one by what? By K. P equal to what? K over V. Then make case of the formula K equal to what? P V. Then P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Like I said earlier, how do you know if you are going to use Boyle's law, Charles' law, or general gas equation? It is only when you have volume and pressure, that you are going to use what? Your Boyle's law. So for this question now, what you are going to use here is what? Is Boyle's law formula. Then before I go, let me just put this one. Let me put this one too. The graphical representation of what? Of Boyle's law. We have done that one before. Boyle's law can be represented by what? P in millimeter mercury and what? V in centimeter cube. Please take note. Are you with me now? And it can also be like this: centimeter cube and what? Millimeter mercury. Are you with me now? So that is that about that. Now let's solve this question now. Let's solve it. Solution. Like we said, our formula is what? P1 V1 equal to what? P2 V2. Am I making sense? Now the first volume here is what? Let me bring it out like this: 200 centimeter cube. V1, Abi, isn't it? Of the gas has a pressure, that is our P1 is what? 510 millimeter mercury. Thank you. What are you now looking for? Which volume? Volume 1 or volume 2? Volume 2 unknown. Abi? Now pressure 2 is what? 780 millimeter mercury. Somebody should carry the calculator for me. Are you with me now? Now let's start inserting the parameter one by one. For our P1, what do you have here? 200. Are you sure for our P1?
Yes, sir.
Our P1? 510. Our P1, what do you have here?
200.
Equal to Abi? 780 times V2, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Now let's make it to your formula. What do you do now? That beside by what? 780. Abi now? So we have V2 here. Are you with me? Then V2 equal to what? 510 times 200 over 780. Oh yeah, press your calculator and tell us the final answer. You can pause it like that.